Yo, what's good, ThriveBit fam? Welcome to ThriveBit by Andy, your go-to YouTube podcast for business hacks, personal growth, and the motivation you need to crush it. I'm Andy, and you're not just watching a video, you're investing in your future. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and let's get you leveled up. Today, we're diving into why your big life-changing plans crash and burn in just 5 days. And more importantly, how to fix it with a system that actually works. No fluff, no celery juice nonsense, just real strategies to get you unstuck. Ready? Let's do this. The 5-day failure trap. Picture this. It's 2 a.m. You're scrolling through Instagram, watching people live their dream lives. They're waking up at 5 a.m., sipping green smoothies, running startups from beachside villas, and looking like they've never heard of stress. Meanwhile, you're wrapped in a blanket, surrounded by empty snack bags, wondering where it all went wrong. Sound familiar? You get this spark of motivation and declare, "Tomorrow, I'm changing everything." You set an alarm for 6 a.m., download a meditation app, maybe even buy a new planner because, let's be real, a fresh notebook fixes everything, right? Day 1, you're a rock star. You're up early, journaling, maybe even doing some push-ups. Day 2, you're still in it, but the energy's fading. By day 3, you're hitting snooze like it's an Olympic sport. Day 4, that planner's collecting dust, and by day 5, you're back to binge-watching Netflix in your motivational gym clothes. Why does this happen? It's not because you're lazy or a failure. The problem is the system, or lack of one. Most self-improvement advice out there is like a sugar rush. It feels good for a moment, but it's not built to last. Let's break down why and how to fix it. The Dopamine Hijack. Let's talk about the real culprit, dopamine. That feel-good chemical in your brain that lights up when you eat pizza, win a game, or, let's be honest, get a like on your latest post. Every morning when you grab your phone first thing, you're not just checking notifications, you're handing your brain over to a dopamine slot machine. Those endless reels, your ex's cousin who's now a life coach with abs, the viral cat videos, they're all spiking your dopamine. And here's the kicker. Once you've had that hit, everything else feels boring. Your work? Yawn. Your goals? Meh. Your inbox? A literal nightmare. High performers know this, and they do something radical. They avoid their phone for the first hour of the day. Yes, I know it sounds like torture. But what if there's an emergency? Chill. If it's urgent, someone will call you, old school style. Instead, use that first hour to take control. Spend 10 minutes moving, stretch, walk, or dance like nobody's watching. Then, pick one focused task and work on it for 50 minutes. No distractions. Put your phone in another room, lock it in a drawer, or toss it out the window if you're feeling extra. After that, take a real break. Go outside, breathe, hydrate, maybe do a few jumping jacks. But whatever you do, don't scroll. That's like eating junk food right after a workout. It undoes everything. This isn't about hustle. It's about giving your brain a fighting chance. The identity cheat code. Here's where things get game-changing. Most people approach self-improvement like they're building a desk from IKEA with no instructions, just vibes and hope. They focus on what to do. I need to go to the gym. I should read more. But by Wednesday, it's all falling apart. The real secret? Focus on who you are. Say it with me. I am the kind of person who... fill in the blank. I am a focused entrepreneur. I am someone who moves every day. I am a reader of books, not just memes. Stanford research backs this up. Your brain loves staying consistent with your identity. If you see yourself as an athlete, you don't debate going to the gym. You just go. Writers write, Learners learn. So here's the play. Every morning, write down your identity. I am a focused creator. I am someone who prioritizes growth. Then spend your day collecting small wins to prove it. Write one paragraph, do one stretch, read one page. Before bed, reflect for 30 seconds. Did I live up to that identity today? Even a little? Awesome. You're rewiring your brain. This isn't about massive overhauls, it's about small, consistent signals that tell your brain, this is who I am now. The 1% rule for lasting change. Let's be real. Transforming your life overnight sounds as realistic as winning the lottery or sticking to a juice cleanse. Spoiler, neither works. What does? Getting 1% better every day. Yes, 1%. It sounds tiny, but that's why it's powerful. Do it daily, and by the end of the year, you're not just better. You're 37 times better. Math doesn't lie, even if I had to double-check it on a calculator. The reason most people fail is they try to overhaul everything at once. New diet, new workout plan, new side hustle, all by Monday. Then life hits, and they're back to square one. Here's the better way. Pick one thing from this video, just one. Maybe it's avoiding your phone for an hour. Maybe it's writing down your identity each morning. Try it tomorrow, not next week, not after you get organized. Tomorrow. Stack those 1% wins, and you'll be shocked at how far you go. This isn't about perfection. It's about progress. Your next step to crush it. All right, ThriveBit fam. Here's the deal. You don't need a perfect plan or superhuman discipline. You just need to start. Stop treating self-improvement like a Netflix binge. Watching endless videos won't change your life. Doing will. So pick one system from this video. Dodge the dopamine trap, claim your identity, or stack those 1% wins. Try it for one day. Just one. Then do it again. Before you know it, you're not just dreaming about a better life, you're living it. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, share it with your crew, and drop a comment with the one thing you're trying tomorrow. Let's keep the vibe high and the progress real. Until next time, keep thriving, fam.